Chapter 10 Forest Resources. You will learn types of forest in India, preservation of forest, wildlife in India. Neha, we will visit Jim Corbett National Park next week when your school holidays begin. What animals we can see there, Papa? We can see many animals there, like wild elephants, deer, different birds and many others. Let us plan our visit now. Oh, nice, Papa. I'm very much excited to go there. We can see tigers there. Forests are an important component of our environment. These are important natural resources. Different varieties of trees grow in forest. The chief product which forests provide us is wood. They also produce minor forest products like can, gum, resins, dyes, tannins, lac and others. Forests shape natural environment by influencing factors such as temperature, humidity and rainfall. Types of forest in India. There are different types of forest found in India. These are evergreen, mangrove, deciduous, thorny and mountain forest. They can be differentiated on the basis of the plant's type of soil and so on. Evergreen forest. Evergreen forests are mostly found in hot and wet areas such as the rainy areas of Western Ghats, hills in northeast India, Odisha and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The trees in this type of forest do not shed all of their leaves at the same time. Thus they look green throughout the year. They are generally tall with a broad canopy. Small plants and shrubs grow around them. The main types of trees found here are rosewood, mahogany, and ebony. These trees are known for their hardwood. Deciduous forest. Deciduous trees lose all their leaves at the same time. This happens during autumn every year. The leaves grow back at the beginning of the monsoon season. Hence, these forests are also known as monsoon forests. These are abundantly found in the foothills of the Himalayas, wet parts of the Deccan Plateau, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha. The trees found here are teak, sandalwood, mahua, bamboo, shisham and semul. Most of the forest land in India is covered with deciduous forest. Mangrove forest. Mangrove trees can grow in fresh water of rivers as well as in salty waters. Thus they are found near river deltas as well as in regions lying close to the sea. For instance, Sundarban in the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta in West Bengal. The forest has Sundari tree, from which the forest draw its name. The mangrove forest is also known as tidal forest. Thorn forest. These are mostly found in Rajasthan where the soil is mainly sandy and dry, which is not fit for any other type of vegetation. Babul and kikar are some of the trees that grow here. A wide variety of cactus also thrive in such forests. Their special characteristic is that they can survive for a long time with little or no water. Mountain forest. The mountain forests are found in the middle Himalayas and Nilgiri hills in Tamil Nadu. These forests are also known as coniferous forest. The trees are cone-shaped with pointed leaves. This shape of the leaf does not allow snow to collect on them. The main trees found here are chev, deodar, fir, pine and spruce. The pulp obtained from the wood of these trees is used to make paper. Wildlife of India. India is home to a large variety of wild animals such as elephant, tigers, lions, rhinos, and hippos. These animals are hunted for their bones, skin, tusk, and fur, which are sold for money. As a result, many animals have become extinct and some have become endangered. The government has made several laws to protect these animals from being hunted. To save the animals that have lost their homes because of reducing forest area, the government has created protected areas that include biosphere reserves, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Today there are 661 protected areas in India. Some of the famous sanctuaries are Kaziranga in Assam, Corbett in Uttarakhand, Periyar in Kerala, Gir Forest in Gujarat and Sariska in Rajasthan. The Sundarban in West Bengal are home to the famous Royal Bengal tiger. Gir Forest is the home of Asiatic lions. Within these reserves, one can find tigers, leopards, rhinoceros, nilgai, lions and elephants. No one is allowed to hunt or harm the animals living in the restricted areas. Some of the protected animals are dolphins, nilgai, panda, snow leopard, lions, tigers, whale, shark and Indian rhinoceros. The government has also framed laws to protect birds. Preservation of forest. Forests are extremely important for our survival. However, increasing human population has led to the cutting down of trees to make space for houses and factories. This has not only reduced our resources but has also affected animals living in these forests. It is essential to save our forests now so that our future generations can also enjoy the benefits of nature. To prevent further damage to our environment, various groups in India and in the world have started movements. One such successful movement in India is the Chipko movement, which was started in Uttarakhand. The objective was to protect the trees in the Himalaya region from being cut down. The protesters would put their arms around the trees to protect them from tree cutters. Recall, forests are an important component of our environment. Forests provide us with wood, cane, bark, resin, dyes, gum, etc. Different types of forests are found in India. The types of forest are evergreen, mangrove, deciduous, thorny and mountain forest. Human greed has resulted in making many animals extinct and endangered. Government has created protected areas for the protection of wildlife resources. Tick right the correct option.